Hello everyone. Now we've got a few important things to talk about today. Firstly though, I'll just quickly show you these. Now these are the two boats that were moved on site a few days ago, and a lot of discussion on what exactly they're used for. Some people saying that they're electric pumps or hydraulic pumps. Looking at the fittings, it looks like hydraulic. I was talking to Riley Roby today, and he knows a lot more about this than I do, and that's certainly his guess. So yeah, that's cool to see. Now, as I'm sure you can tell, leading on to my next point, that is the water that's being pumped out of the Cofferdam that's currently underneath the drone, and that is going to this pump right here. Now, when I first saw that pipe, I thought that, that's a lot of water. That is a lot of water. Now, I did take some phone videos today of a few different important things that I want to talk about, and this is one of them. Now, I'll insert it in here, but as you can see, that cofferdam is leaking a considerable amount, and yeah, it's concerning to me because, as some of you may have seen from the Bridgewater in the last few days, there has been a similar thing there which led to a bit of a sinkhole forming. And back to the drone, you can just see it's a bit dark, admittedly. I'll try and get a bit lower for you. But yeah, it's just leaking from underneath there, just around the corners. Now, you might have seen in my pacemaker behind the scenes video that they jam sandbags real tight into the edges to stop that kind of thing from happening. So whether that wasn't done, it was done poorly, or something's just happened with them, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's not ideal, I wouldn't say, because like you say, all that it's going to do over time is keep eroding it. It's all good pumping it out, but pumping the water out doesn't really do a lot to solve that issue. In fact, it doesn't really do anything to solve that issue. And I don't want the same thing that happened to Bridgewater to happen to here and delay anything that doesn't need to be delayed. I also went to the field before, got up close to some of the diggings, and I'll show you what I mean in another phone video now, of the consistency of the substrate. Now, as you can tell, it's just sandy clay, a lot of sand in some places and not a lot in others, but yeah, I wouldn't want to make a dam out of it. Now, don't get me wrong, that could be, as the diggers mix the two up, it's just created that, so maybe it's not as bad as I think it is, but not that that's a problem for the future here, because they'll take all of that into account, I'm sure, and sort it out. Another thing I want to touch on as well is I've been talking to Paul again, and we've got some exciting things coming up, hopefully next week, so make sure you subscribe to see any upcoming videos and updates, especially related to this and pacemaker. Now, hopefully as well, we'll be able to get in contact with the other boat owners. I'd be very interested in doing that. At the end of this video as well, I'll do another cinematic segment. I've done that in the last couple of videos, and I really enjoy it, actually. It's nice to edit, and it's nice to just do that instead of ending the video off in just a normal way. And we'll have a quick look. I've been getting comments as well asking for a closer look at this side. So I believe this is the west bank of the breach. So there we go. Now I want to... Oh, actually, that was another comment I got looking at these rust holes. So there you go. That's just for you. But yeah, I've been getting more comments about the field and why they're not pumping that in. And I said this in a video a few days ago, but they're not pumping it back into the canal or into that stream just because it is classed as wastewater. Now, it's not my job to agree with that or not, but that just means that they can't pump it straight back into the canal or straight back into the stream. Why it's counted as wastewater, I'm not sure. Probably, with it being a working site now, it will be mixed with things like diesel and oils and contamination from the field itself. So maybe that's it. That'd be certainly my guess. Now we'll come out of the breach here. Hey, I also had a comment saying that they liked the bit where I'm like, there's me. So there's me. So we'll have a nice quick high shot of everything, and then I'll go into my now hopefully normal cinematic type shots to finish the video off. But yeah, I just want to say a quick thanks to everyone that's been watching as well. It really does mean the world to me, and all the super thanks I've had, it makes a world of difference. So thank you everyone that's done that as well. I'll have to get a list of the names and put it in a video at some point. I'll make sure to do that. But yeah, thanks to everyone that's subscribed so far. There's still a lot of interest in the canal breach, which is great to see. So yeah, here's the site as a whole. Now there's not a lot of workers on site today, which surprises me. It is a Friday, probably about 12 o'clock currently. So you'd think, or at least I would have hoped, that someone might be down here, but I think it's just the usual security lot. I'll tell you what, I can have a look at that as well. But yeah, I'm certainly getting more used to the commentary side of things. I don't really find it awkward at all now, actually. It doesn't actually look like anyone's in there today. So, a lot of people having a Friday off. Now, we'll quickly show, so no progress on that entranceway, and then nothing's really changed with the suspicious culvert. So I'll fly back over towards me, and then we'll finish it off with a nice high shot. But yeah. Now I just want to quickly reiterate before I stop talking that I'm well within legal height here. Currently 50 metres and then 60 metres, so I could go twice as high as this if I wanted to, but I ain't going to do that because it scares me. Alright, thank you to everyone for watching, and enjoy this bit of the video. And just quickly to finish it off, have a great day everyone. Thank you.